These are a pair of SEM lines at one of the properties I work at. They are one of the dumbest things I have ever seen. They're kind of like indirect on-demand water heaters because they can heat pretty fast, but they have negligible storage capacity. So they basically need these massive boilers to run 24/7 at a BTU rating that is a couple of orders of magnitude greater than the domestic hot water demands of the building. These boilers are so big because the building also has hydronics, so there are 2 months a year where they are efficiently heating water, and 10 months where they are either just pissing propane or failing to sufficiently heat the units. The control boards on the SEM lines control these black three-way valves in between the water heaters and the boilers. We had to replace them last year because they failed open and the temps were getting up to 160. The replacement job cost close to 10 grand, where the system should cost less than 5. Each water heater also has a dedicated circulation pump to the boiler and an internal agitator circulation pump. That's 4 more pumps than you need on a domestic hot water system, and 2 required new seals last year. These indirect water heating systems are always more expensive to install and operate than conventional water heaters, but they saved 4 square feet of floor space, so I guess that's a win.